I'm gonna try to clean my stains on my leather. I have a bunch of stains in here, door panels, here in the seats. I don't know if you can see it yet. So I'm gonna try to do the cleaning with this OxiClean and give you guys a review on how it works. Alright, so I got the painter's tape so we can see a comparison of how well it cleans. As you can see, there's a bunch of stains in here, and that's what we'll be using. Shake it up. Alright, let's try it out. It says you should wait like 30 seconds for this foam or whatever solution to set in, and then you start scrubbing. I'm not gonna use this plastic scrubber, it's pretty harsh. So I got these soft brushes. You can see it's already getting darker, like the dirt is coming out. Once you're done, just wipe it off. If your stain is still not removed, you can do it the second time, third time. Alright, I'm gonna give it one more time, one more try, and then we'll take off the tape. Alright, so this is after the second time. I can already tell it's looking much cleaner. It's crazy. I was very skeptical of which one to buy. Some people say it doesn't work, some people say it works. Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy. As you can see, very clean way. Alright, so I took off the scrubber from the bottle because it's very hard to use it when it's attached. This thing is heavy and you keep scrubbing it with these plastic ones. These plastic ones are really harsh. These are going to be very harsh, so you have to use these front ones. If you have like a hard toothbrush, it would work great too. But the one I showed you guys yesterday, these are too soft.